Hello and welcome. Now let's get started with another farmhouse DIY. So right now I am applying some Waverly chalk paint in the shade Truffle. And now I'm just applying the trim paint along the bottom with some Waverly white chalk paint. Using some twine, I am hot gluing this to the handle of my watering can. I will just wrap this all the way down the handle, all the way to the bottom. So now I'm going to be adding some more twine up here around the edge of my spout. And now I am painting the handle to my watering can. Okay, so now I'm going to be placing some floral foam down inside the watering can because I'm going to use this to help secure my flowers. I'm going to be adding some off-white roses and some baby's breath. And there you have it. This is probably one of my most favorite pieces that I have done so far. It's such a beautiful rustic farmhouse look. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe so you can be notified each time I post a video. Thank you for watching.